If you're a part of a design team that uses the ImageKit DAM to store all of your content, it could be, let's say, some ad creatives, it could be some other social media content, and you want to use some of these assets with Photoshop, we've made it really simple. Instead of having to download these assets every time and then upload them to Photoshop or import them inside Photoshop, you can use the ImageKit desktop app for DAM. It's available for download from our docs. And once you install it for your system, it starts appearing, let's say, on a Mac system in the toolbar over here, and I can access all of the content inside my digital asset management system through this native app. Now, if I head to Photoshop, let's say I have to create a new banner, I can just go to the asset that I want to import and just simply drag it to Photoshop. And it gets inserted like a normal layer that you see over here. And I can just play around with it like any other layer in Photoshop, maybe add other layers on top of it. Let's say if I want to type some text, I can just go ahead and do that and continue working inside Photoshop. I didn't have to switch any app. I didn't have to go back to the DAM to download the asset. I can just use the native DAM app to import all of these assets for my use in Photoshop.